Playing tennis today, it's kind of tiring. So sometimes wala ka talaga sa condition, but you still manage to do it. I think like many things in life, if you just show up, even if parang pagod ka or you can't do it, but just the fact that you showed up for yourself, I think good job yun. Pochi! Hello, Pochi! Pochi! Hello! Ayaw mo sa akin? You're still scared? Good morning! Hello, so today is a Monday. Kaninang umaga, Monday, March 17, kaninang umaga, I got up early and prepared. Pakita ko lang. Skincare ako habang magkukwento sa inyo. This is niacinamide. Um, Kaninang umaga, I woke up early, prepared for a workout. So it's been a while since nagkaroon ako ng PT sessions. So nagtry ako ng PT sessions where I can have it sa magkaibang locations or magkaibang sites. So I visit other fitness first gyms. So nag-avail ako ng sessions para ma-renew ko yung goal ko sa fitness. Kasi minsan, kaya ko naman mag-plan ng workouts ko individually. Pero minsan, pag busy or walang time or tinatamad to do it, syempre you need help or assistance from professionals na talagang kaya nila. Tapos at the same time, I'm turning 40 soon. So syempre hindi pwedeng yung basta-basta ka nalang magbubuhat ng mabigat or gagawa ng kung ano-anong exercise na nakikita mo. Kailangan suportado ka para hindi ka naman magkaroon ng injury. That's something I don't want to experience. So, after nun, umuwi ako, prepared my stuff for this week's work. Every Monday kasi wala akong pasok. So, yun ang ginagawa ko. Workout, prepare ng mga kailangan ko for the whole week. Naglinis din ako ng mga damit ko kasi I don't know if you remember, basta dun sa last video ko nakwento ko na every Monday, yun din yung dating ng mga pinalaundry or bagong plancha ng mga damit. So, inaayos ko siya, nilalagay ko sa aparador. And then ngayon, I'm preparing to go out kasi pupunta ako ng Makati for coffee, some me time, at the same time then finalize yung mga kailangan ko for tomorrow and some dinner with Dom. So, yun ang gagawin natin today. So, itong Monday na to, very chill. Nag-start ang workout ng umaga, whereas usually, nagsa-start ako ng workout ng Monday, hapon sa Green Hills. So, I wanna do something different ngayon. So, let's see how it goes. What I'm adding naman now is Azellan cream. Azellan cream yung tawag dito eh. Binigay lang to ng derma ko from Remedy. So far, nakakatulong naman siya sa akin. And yeah, that's it. By the way, I just want to share. Meron akong binili recently from an online store. Ito yung title niya, like Cabinet of Curiosities by Ambet Ocampo. So, Ambet Ocampo is a public historian. May experience din siya in teaching history or leading certain departments of history departments of different universities here in the Philippines. So, ang book na to, ang idea lang nito is to understand the history of the Philippines through different artifacts. So, may mga, let's say, the gold piloncito, kung ano man yan, maitom jars, may mga bulul, what do you call this, paintings or specific paintings of people sa history natin, yung book na Florante at Laura, the story, the book itself. Ang goal nito is to understand Filipino history through artifacts or through objects. Nung nakita ko siya, parang, uy, interesting yun kasi one, teacher ako. Tapos, um, one of the subjects I taught before na sana maturo ko ulit next school year. We try to understand or understand knowledge from a specific subject area, let's say knowledge from humanities, through using objects or different objects that can reflect yung mga, or artifacts that can reflect yung mga knowledge that we got from it. Let's say, kunyari like telescope, ganyan. Ano ba yung knowledge na nakuha natin through a telescope? The Hammurabi Code, yung discovery ng Hammurabi Code, ano bang knowledge yung nakuha natin? So feeling ko makakatulong to for me when I prepare for that subject. At the same time, I feel that as a Filipino, who loves his country and who wants to be well informed with actual facts about our history, feeling ko kailangan din from time to time i-revisit ko yung awareness ko sa history na yun. And I think this is a cool way to know more about it. So if may mga super interesting stuff ako na may matutunan, I'll share it with you as well. So yeah, that's it. So workout today, some preparations for work as well, and chill in dinner time later. That's it. See you. Hello. Today's a Tuesday. I'm ready for work. Ang aga ko, siguro I arrived like 20 minutes earlier from work. It's a far cry from who I was 5 or 10 years ago sa dati kong work. And I think this is something that should be celebrated. Sorry na guys, akong basura. This is something that I should celebrate on or be aware of na I've made subtle changes in the past that led to me arriving 20 minutes or sometimes 30-40 minutes earlier so work. So yeah, starting the day energized as always, and let's do this. Work tayo para matupad ang mga pangarap at mga travels. Okay, that's it. Hello. So this morning, it's quite a very tiring pero very productive day so far. Now, ano pa lang, it's March 19, now ano pa lang mga 2 p.m., 3 p.m. I'm online kasi I'm supposed to have a parent-teachers meeting. So I'm just waiting for parents to come in dun sa meeting room ko. So while waiting for them, so naisip ko lang, mag-share, mag-update ko anong ginawa ko so far. So I woke up really early, had some breakfast from Healthy Foodie. Nagbabawas kasi ako ng calories that I'm intaking. So ang calories ko ngayon, it's around 1,800 per day. So I'm able to do that with the help of meal plan subscription. So I tried Healthy Foodie for the longest time. Masarap yung food, everything. Sulit. So nasusulitan ako sa binabayad ko. So I'm doing it now. So after ko mag-breakfast, prep lang because I had a training schedule kanina sa gym ng around 10. So, punta ako ng gym ng 10 and then afternoon dance workout naman. And then afternoon, so 10 to 11, 11 to 12, tapos 12 to 1, lunch lang with Dom kasi si Dom was just in the area. Nagpa-skin test kasi siya for allergies. And afternoon, 30 minutes lang na me time, just to, okay, sunod-sunod ka, 10 to 11, 11 to 12, 12 to 1. So, upo ka muna, pahinga ka muna saglit. So, nagkape lang ako and then umuwi na ako because I have a meeting starting ng 3. So, hanggang 5 to. And then, after nito, meron pa akong online grad school class later. So, yun yung mga gagawin ko today. Medyo, okay naman siya. I like how busy it is kasi siya yung busy na ina-expect mo at kumbaga nakaplan naman na gawin mo na. Pwede naman ako hindi mag-workout ng morning, pwede naman ako hindi mag-exercise. At afternoon hanggang 9 p.m. lang yung kabibisihan ko, pero choice ko naman yun. So, I like this kind of busy, yung I'm filling up yung time na available ako to achieve yung mga goals or mga gusto kong gawin. And yeah, that's it. So, it's just quite a very, siguro simple na day. Exercise, which is my usual, work, which is very common, and then staying at home, just enjoying life at home, relaxing, and yeah, always praying and hoping for the best for me, for the Philippines, and for the whole world, na mas maging clear yung mind natin, mas maging kind at peaceful tayo when we talk to each other, at mas mahalin natin, I guess, yung bansa natin more than anything else. And yun lang, random reflections. That's it. So I'll keep you posted kung meron mang mga significant updates or interesting kwentos for today. So I just finished work. Nasa bahay ako ngayon. Umuwi muna ako to prepare for gym. Kasi ngayon, meron kaming physical fitness test for Hyrox. So itetest kung kaya ba namin yung Hyrox or not. So let's see. And then itetest din sana at I think yung abilities namin for every station, kung mamimit ba namin yung requirement. Let's say, for example, 500 push-ups, for example lang. And then for kung gaano katagal namin yung duration nun, parang ganon. I'll show you videos once we do it. And yeah, wish us luck. I'm going to pace myself, not push too much. Chill lang, kasi medyo I don't feel at my 100 today, but we're gonna show up. We're gonna show up for our goals and for the things that we want to do. Hi! So, nandito ko ngayon sa may Max Parking sa may MOA. Ang ganda ng lighting. Parang parang cinematic. Parang maganda, kunyari nagda-drive ka pa. Acting ka ng ganun, no? No, but yeah, I'm here at Max sa MOA. I just finished work and Dom and I will be attending the Bench Body of Work fashion show later on. So I'm quite excited for that. It's been a while since nagkaroon sila ulit ng ganon, na open to the public. And yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Seeing celebrities, mga ganon. Para maiba naman yung environment or makikita. So I'm here early. Okay na rin para meron pang parking, and medyo masakit pa yung paa ko, yung legs ko, because of the high rocks workout that we did yesterday. And yun nga, na-explain ko naman na what the high rocks workout is all about. So I'm just looking forward to this evening na medyo chill lang, and baka tomorrow magre-relax na lang din, chill, wala mo ng tennis kasi meron kaming fun run sa Sunday. So maybe just a reminder to just listen to your body from time to time. It's okay to push yourself, pero pag yun, alam mong medyo your body still recuperating, listen to it muna and then take a break. That's it. So looking forward to a good Friday, and I hope you get a good Friday too. Hi. So today is Saturday, March 22. Hindi na ako nakapag-closing spiel or outro last night when we watched yung Bench Body for Fashion Show. It was okay. Maraming celebrities, maganda yung choreography ng ilang mga sets. I think my favorite one was yung set ng mga beauty queens, like sila Dia Mate, sila Krishna Gavide, si Sam Bernardo, si CJ Opiasa. Yung set nila was ang galing. Parang mga Latina slayers lahat yung dating nila. And then, gusto ko din yung set ng mga trans women. They invited trans women to walk on the show. That was also a well choreographed set. But I think what was well, apart from Alden, Catherine Bernardo, and SB19 getting loads of applauses last night, I think what made it really good overall, the show, was yung performance ng Seven Fingers. Yeah, Seven Fingers, which is ni-research ko 'to, Canadian acrobat group or performers, parang gano'n. So they did really well, as you can see dun sa mga na-share ko na videos of the fashion show last night. So yeah, it was okay. It was supposed to start at 7, but it started really late, around 8:30 or almost 9 p.m. na. Yeah, and that was it. I think the show lasted for around an hour, 30 minutes long. So, ganun lang naman siya. But for me, I think mas maganda yung huling na attendan ko. Years ago. Like, I think Understatement ba yun? Bench Understatement and Bench Blackout. I think so. So, yun yung mga mas maganda, yung mga dati. But I don't know. And another thing I want to share, kasi nag-Hyrox physical fitness training kami, 'di ba, last Thursday. So the Hyrox physical fitness training, it's meant to gauge yung fitness level mo in meeting yung mga tasks for Hyrox. So hindi na ako nakapag-post ng video to talk about it after the training kasi sobrang napagod kami. And I felt it was a very humbling experience for me because I consider myself as someone who's physically active. I work out regularly. Tapos I nag-a-attend nga ako ng mga Hyrox preparatory classes para masanay ako. But when the time comes na nandun ka na and you're supposed to meet yung certain tasks within a specific set of time, I think hanggang 50 minutes lang yata ideally. I'll share gaano ko katagal natapos lahat. But takpan ko muna. But ito yung Hyrox card, yan, whatever. Ito yung mga gagawin namin. Kailangan namin for that whole set, kasi it started at 8 or 6:15, and then we're supposed to end around 7:10, mga ganon. Kailangan namin mag 1,000 meter run. So that's 1K. Siyempre maganda yung pace mo dapat. Kasi pag nilakad mo lang yun, hindi yun run. At saka masasayang yung oras mo. for that. And then 50 burpee road jumps. So the fact na the fact na very difficult yung burpee, maging broad jumps pa siya. So meaning after mo mag-burpee, um, tatalon ka sa kabilang side, then burpee ulit, tatalon ka sa kabilang side. 50 of those things. My God, sobrang nakakapagod yun. I think my time there was really okay. And then we had to do 100 stationary lunges. So lunge lang naman, normal, left and right lunge forward. Pero the key there, makakount lang siya if your knee touched the floor. Pero syempre dapat very light touch lang, hindi pwedeng bagsak kasi delikado yun for your knees. So, one, isang lunge, and then madidikit siya sa floor. Two, isang lunge, madidikit siya sa floor. Seems easy, no? Pero if you had to do 100, tapos meron kang time pressure sa utak mo, medyo mahirap siya. I think dun bumigay yung legs namin. Medyo nanginginig pa yung legs namin. 2 days post the PFT. And then we had to do 1,000 meters, so 1 kilometer na rowing through yung rowing machine. I think I did well there. Yung sa run ko, I think I had like 6 minutes, 6 to 7 minutes for 1K. Tapos ang speed ko, 8.5 to 9. I don't think that's bad. Dun sa lunges, I think that was my strongest. I really think yung legs, medyo strong naman yung legs ko. Pero dahil nga nag-run ako, nag-burpee road jumps ako, at nag-lunges ako, medyo napapagod na siya slowly. And then dun sa row, I think I did really well as well. Siguro 5 to 6 minutes for 1,000 meters. Medyo natagalan ako. Mabilis din ako dun sa hand raise push-ups. We had to do 30 push-ups na talagang chest on the floor, and then you raise your hands and then push again, and then chest on the floor and then raise your hands and then push again. So 30 of those things. So we had 6 stations. Yun nga, makikita nyo. Ay, nakita na yung ano, yung number ko. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pang 5 yung HR push-ups. Tinanong ko yung trainer na nagka-count ng time ko. I had like around 3 minutes nung time na yun. Tapos parang, oh, last set, 33 minutes na ako. Parang, that's really good. And then the wall balls came. Yung wall balls, yung kailangan mo mag-squat and then hawak mo yung malaking, parang medicine ball, I believe. That's around like 14 pounds or 6 kilos. Yeah, 6 kilos. Mukha lang siyang magaan, 6 kilos pag dala mo, bibili ka ng bigas, 'di ba? 5 kilos sa sa grocery, magaan lang 'yun kung isa lang. Pero kung kailangan mo siyang buhatin at itutulak pataas kasi yung wall balls, hawak mo yung ball na 6 kilos. For men, it's for 6 kilos yung dala namin. And then for my height, medyo mahirap siya. Kasi may certain napaka-petite lang kasi ng height ko. Pero may certain na height na kailangan ma-reach. So pagka-push mo, kailangan, if not dun sa linya mismo, at least over the line. So yun pa lang, medyo challenging na for me. And we had to do 100 of those. So nung first 20 ko, parang, oh no, parang hindi ko yata ito makakaya. And then 25, hirap na hirap talaga ako. 30, sobrang hirap ako. When I reach 35, feeling ko may hilo na ako. Knowing myself, I really prepare myself first before I work out. I make sure na I have enough nutrients, enough carbohydrates for energy, blah, blah, blah. I don't take mga other supplements or chemicals. I have nothing against it, pero I just don't like it. I want to do everything na natural. Kung kailangan ko din naman ng protein, hindi ko yun kukunin sa isang drink. I'll get it from actual natural sources of protein, kung ganun. So yun, nag-drink pa ako, coffee para may konting caffeine and energy. So I feel nutrition-wise, rest-wise, nag-prepare ako. So I was thinking, bakit ganun? Bakit nahihirapan ako? But at the same time, syempre, tuloy-tuloy kasi siya. Tapos ang dami kong ginawa at hindi siya simple. So pagdating ko ng 50, I told myself, baka hindi ko na to kaya. Nauna kasi ako, may katabi ako nauna ako sa kanya for a bit. Tapos nakikita ko, hala, 20 na lang tapos na siya, 20 wall balls na lang tapos na siya. And I was thinking, no, if this kid can do it, pero bata pa naman to, mukhang estudyante pa lang. this kid can do it, I think I can also do it. So I just push myself. So 10, 10 lang. Minsan nga 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I stop. Mas matagal yung stop ko actually. And I don't really care. What's more important to me is I'm listening to my body and I'm thinking, kaya ko pa ba to? Kaya ko pa ba to? Yes, kaya ko pa. I just need to give my body some time. And eventually, natapos ko yung 100 in a span of 45 minutes and I don't know kung makikita nyo siya. Yeah, 45 minutes and 55 seconds. I think I went overboard. I think 45 lang yata talaga yung allowed eh. Pero I don't know. I'm really proud of myself for doing this, finishing this. Walang injury, malinis. I can honestly say na I think malinis yung form ko when doing all those things. Wala ako yung parang, sige, just for the sake of it, ganun-ganun na lang. No, no, no. Kasi at the end of the day, if you just wing it, kahit sa life, di ba? If you just wing it, you wing it. Sige, you'll succeed once or twice. Pero pag dumating sa time na kailangan mong high quality yung magagawa mo because you've been winging it, hindi mo siya magagawa ng maayos. So, yun yung principle ko when I um, thought of entering this physical fitness test na gagawin ko to ng tama. Wala akong goal na maging sobrang galing or sobrang bilis. Gagawin ko to ng tama for myself. Gagawin ko to ng maayos for my health, for my body, para hindi ko naman maabuso. Yun nga lang, medyo nakakapagod. Like, I think 2 days after, medyo masakit pa rin katawan namin, but it's part of it. Malalaman mo naman na nag-work yung certain muscle if may konting strain or medyo nangangalay or napapagod. And that's just it. I think what was the most important for me dun sa experience ko ng High Rocks was, again, I keep on talking about this. I don't know kung dito sa vlog, pero with people I know, yung idea ng showing up. Kasi it's a big thing for me. Like, kahit mahirap, kahit nahihirapan ka, you just show up. When you show up, that's already an achievement on your end. Kunyari, Monday na naman, may pasok na naman. Medyo tinatamad ako today. Papasok ako o hindi. Minsan we succumb to yung part of our conscious that's telling us no, rest muna minsan, but more often than not, pag nag-succeed ka doon, yung parang sumakses ka na eh. Sumakses ka na eh. Naramdaman mo na sumakses ka na imagine mo. Once you go beyond that, yung parang hindi, pupunta ako, tinatamad ako, pagod ako, wala ako sa mood, pero pupunta ako, gagawin ko to. Because that day was not a good day for me as well. It started na hindi maganda yung tiyan ko, parang I got food poison dahil sa gatas ng isang drink na na-order ko earlier that day. Pero sabi ko, no, 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 hindi yun reason. I will not use that as a reason to cop out of this or to opt out of this challenge na gusto kong gawin. And yeah, I think yun yung big learning ko for this week. Just really, really, really show up. Mahirap, it's okay. But if you show up, if you did what you had to do, if you delivered what you think is best for you, I think panalo ka. So yeah, I'll end this day muna. Siguro lalabas na kami ni Dom, kain or coffee, and then we'll go home early kasi meron kaming fun run bukas. So good luck sa fun run namin. 5K lang naman. Medyo pagod pa yung legs, pero nag-train kaming matagal for this fun run. So we'll be fine, I think. We'll just pace ourselves, not exert too much effort, and enjoy the moment. And I think that's also something that you can do. Yeah, that's it. See ya.